Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. In this video, I will show you how you can run an AI model from a USB, completely offline and completely uncensored. So normally, you might have seen videos where AI model is run locally from your desktop. That means that you can use that from your desktop or from your laptop only. So if you want to use that in another system, then you cannot use it. You will have to again come back to your original system. But in this case, you are installing a portable version of an AI model in your USB drive. That way, you can carry it anywhere you want and you can just plug and play. You might have seen earlier this portable apps were there. Similar to that, you can plug and play and use it. And whatever memory is there, that will be retained in the USB and you can use it from there. So I will show you end-to-end how to use it and how to install it. So it's 100% offline, fully portable, zero trace AI, which is powered by Llama, Llama 3, anything LLM that runs natively from a USB drive and on Windows and on Mac. For that, I will leave a link to this GitHub. So it is done by another person. It's known as Tech Jarvis. So I'm giving credit for that. So I'll just leave the GitHub link. So you can download it. You can just go ahead and click on this download zip option. So once you download the zip option, so you will see these files. So these are the files you will see here. You will see these files. Out of this, what you need to do is that you just need to copy the required files and go to a pen drive, at least with like 32 GB recommended space. So a USB flash drive with at least 16 GB free space. 32 GB is recommended. So I am trying it on 64 GB. And you can format the USB as exFAT so that it works on Windows and Macs and Linux. And an internet connection for the initial download of the model. So once you go there, you can download this repo that I have already done it and I have unzipped it. So after unzipping it, it looks like this. Then from here, I copy the files and place it in my pen drive. So my pen drive is currently not free. So it will work even without this free, but it is better to format it and keep it dedicated. Then from there, you need to install, double click and install the BAT file on the USB drive. Once you do that, it will ask you to choose your model from the interactive menu. So these are the various kinds of models that is available. So all models you can see here. So this is the Nemomix Unleashed 12 GB model. So this is the recommended for the best quality. So there is this Dolphin 2.9 Llama 3 8 billion model also available. Then once you download it, if the model download fails, then you can come here and the install automatically retries the failed download. So it will work. So you can double click the start Windows BAT file and the launcher now automatically clears the old path cakes. This allows you to move between different computers without the JavaScript errors. The anything LLM chat window will open automatically. It will switch between models in anything LLM settings where you can select the model. You can keep the black terminal window open while chatting. Then you can press any key in terminal to safely shut it down. So I have just installed it. I've just copy pasted it. Now it's asking me to press any key to continue. Okay, let's see what happens. So this is the presetting that is required, 6 preset models. Then custom model support brings your own GGUF. Okay, so these are the things that is available. So portable AI. So you can see here. So it is now trying to download the first model, which is about 7 GB. Then once it downloads the entire model, you can see the percentage. Once it downloads the entire thing, it is up and running. So let me close that because I have already done that. So once you do that, you can open the anything LLM window. Then you can use that, select that model, and pretty much you can use it locally. Then you don't need internet because once the model is downloaded, you don't need access to internet. So once you have that installed and running from your pen drive, then you can pretty much plug and use it on any device. The advantage that you have here is like the information stays with you only. It is completely offline and it is uncensored. So that means some of the questions that is not answerable by the OpenAI, Gemini and Llama models online will be answered here, because this is running totally uncensored and locally, so use it safely. This is for educational purpose, like how you install it locally in your USB drive, and from there you can use it responsibly. So this is the USB drive structure. If you want to go in detail of it, this is how it will look like, where your model will rest. So this is the model file. So I hope this information is useful, and thank you very much, and subscribe for more such interesting videos.
Thanks for tuning in with me. Glad you're part of this community. Hit the button down below, let our little family grow. Like and subscribe, yeah, don't you go. See you on the next episode, let's start the